We're in the Valley of the Monkeys, the Western Valley. This is very rare. We're on a special admission. This is the Western Wadi where the Amarna kings and some of the nobles potentially built their tombs. This is where the great Amenhotep III, the Magnificent, has a tomb that's recently been finished. And we are getting a special admission today, and I'm going to take you inside the tomb of Amenhotep III in the Valley of the Monkeys. This is the entrance to the tomb of Amenhotep III. It's just been open for about 2 weeks, and we're going inside. You can see it's quite steep. Let's come down and see what we see. We're inside the tomb of Amenhotep III, KV 22, or Western Valley 22, in the Valley of the Monkeys. Look at the beautiful painted walls. Here we see Hathor greeting Amenhotep III. Overhead you see the vulture protective goddess Nekhbet. Actually, it could be Mut too. Look at the dress of Hathor, it's stunning. And here we go on to him being greeted by Anubis. Something's been cut out here. We're not sure how that happened. And here we have the mistress of the West. Of course, Amenhotep is going towards the land of the everlasting in the West. And here he's greeting Osiris. This is the pillared hall in the tomb of Amenhotep III. And it has lovely decoration. Some of it, because of flash floods and water damage, is eroded, but we still see the protective vulture goddesses. We see the top half, you can see the waters must have come this high, but I love the fact that the Keker frieze, the barbed wire, has been preserved all around the top. And look at the starry sky, very deep blue. And look, we have the journey to the afterlife, the Amduat. This is looking very much like that kind of stick figure style you only see in the tomb of Thutmose III. It's almost like drawn by a child. This is very early 18th dynasty. These are the verses of the books of the Amduat. We have storage chambers, and look what we have here. This is the image of that last hour of the Amduat, with the soul of Amenhotep III emerging with the sun god as Keper, the new sun of the new day. Oh, beautiful. There's Anubis giving him life, and this is the pillared hall, and there's Osiris, and there is his beautiful sarcophagus. I believe it was very smashed. And way down, you see other chambers for his secondary wives. Oh, we're going to get special access. Wonderful. Oh, Amgad has provided a special access for us right into the central tomb. We're going to go down to where the sarcophagus of Amenhotep III was. And wow, this was very smashed. This whole tomb was restored over 20 years by Waseda University. Queen T? Queen T? T is right there. Sitamun, the other wife? No. And this is, oh, look, you can see the decoration on the bottom. And this is the Book of the Amduat, and this is the final hour we're seeing. He's emerging on his solar boat again into the next life. Beautiful. This tomb suffered a lot of water damage, but is this the Queen T, the subsidiary rooms for the queens? Where is that? No, but there are subsidiary rooms for the Queen T and Sitamun.
To be buried here?
Yes, well, just in reference to them, so yes. Here's the subsidiary rooms. Very, very damaged. There's no decoration. But this is amazing to be down with the sarcophagus in this tomb, looking up at the pillared hall inside the tomb of Amenhotep III, a very, very rare experience. And I love the fact that you have this stick figure design on the books of the Amduat, the books of going forth by the first book of the Book of the Dead, done in this 18th dynasty style. I've only seen the tomb of Tutmosis III. Say hi.